Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a unique dash cam, the VANTRUE Nexus 5. Now, this isn't your average single lens setup. It boasts a whopping 4 cameras, promising complete coverage of your car's interior and exterior. But is it a bit overkill for the average driver, or a must-have for Uber drivers, taxi operators and anyone who values ultimate peace of mind on the road? Well, let's find out. Most dash cams capture the road ahead and maybe the rear, but the Nexus 5 goes beyond, adding 2 more lenses. So, you've got the front cabin camera, which monitors the driver and passenger. It's ideal for ride sharing or capturing suspicious activity. You've also got the rear cabin camera, which keeps an eye on the back seats and the trunk. It's perfect for families or fleet vehicles. Is it overkill? Well, for personal cars, it probably is. The 4th camera might feel unnecessary, but for professionals like Uber drivers, taxis and fleet managers, well, it's a game changer. It protects against false accusations, ensures passenger safety, and even monitors valuable cargo. The Nexus 5 isn't just about quantity. It packs a punch in quality too. You've got Super HD recordings, up to 2K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the others, ensuring clear footage day or night. You've infrared night vision to enhance that, giving crisp visuals even in low light conditions, both inside and outside of your car. You've got built-in Wi-Fi, enables you to connect to your phone for easy setup, footage review and sharing. With the GPS mount, you can track your route and speed, adding valuable context to your recordings. It also features voice control. Hands-free commands can be uttered for basic functions like recording or activating or deactivating Wi-Fi. There's also 24/7 parking mode, which enables you to keep an eye on your car even when you're not around. The Nexus 5 comes with everything you need: the main unit, the rear camera, cables, mounts, and even cleaning cloths. Installation is straightforward, although routing the cables for all 4 cameras can be a bit time consuming. It's worth noting that no adhesive hooks are included, so you should probably order some of these separately to keep things tidy around your windscreen. Getting the optimal viewing angles for all 4 cameras takes some tweaking. Remember, with the dual camera units, both lenses move together vertically, so horizontal adjustments require careful planning. The mobile app comes in handy for setup and managing various settings. The built-in 3.19-inch display is helpful for basic playback, but for a detailed review of footage, you'll want to use the mobile or desktop app. Both offer intuitive interfaces for viewing footage, sharing clips, and analyzing GPS data. The VANTRUE Nexus 5 is a unique and powerful dashcam, but is it right for you? Well, on the plus side, you get comprehensive coverage around your car. You get Super HD quality, rich features for connectivity and observation, and it's ideal for professionals, Uber drivers, taxis, fleet managers. On the downside, it is a bit bulky, although it's by far and away not the biggest dashcam I've ever reviewed. It takes a long time to set up, and it's arguably overkill for personal use. Overall, the VANTRUE Nexus 5 is a feature-packed dashcam that delivers exceptional coverage and peace of mind. If you're a professional driver or value the ultimate in car security, it's a worthwhile investment. For personal use, however, a simpler and more affordable dashcam might be enough. Thanks for joining me on this review of the VANTRUE Nexus 5 4-channel dashcam. I hope it helped you decide if this is the right fit for your car. Until next time, it's goodbye.